Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use Emoji AI in a quick and simple way. To get started, head over to emoji.com. Emoji AI lets you chat with different AI characters, each with their own personality and style. You can talk to them just like a normal conversation and see how they respond. Once you're on the site, you'll see a list of different characters you can choose from. For example, you can select a character like Camille and start chatting right away. Just type your message and send it, and you'll instantly get a response. You can switch between different characters anytime and explore how each one responds differently. Some are friendly, some are creative, and others are designed for fun conversations. This makes Emoji AI great for entertainment, brainstorming, or just killing time. If you want to try it out yourself, visit emoji.com and explore the different AI characters available. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.